Governor Akhilesh Yadav promised action, remember, when he visited Muzaffarnagar on Sunday, but little has been done to bring to book those politicians who are accused of inciting the mob in Muzaffarnagar. Now, though the Uttar Pradesh government indeed did take action against the officials and the cops, it has failed to act against the political leaders.
A week after violence in western UP, Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav visiting the affected villages of Muzaffarnagar. But locals greeting Akhilesh with protest slogans, demanding accountability from his government.
कड़ी से कड़ी सरकार की तरफ से कार्रवाई होगी। कोई कितना बड़ा भी रहे, कहीं भी भाग जाएं, सरकार उन्हें खोजेगी और उनको खिलाफ कार्रवाई कर करके उन्हें जेल भेजाने का काम भी सरकार की तरफ से होगा।
But on the ground, the UP government is not matching its words to go after the culprits with action.
Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav may have promised strict action against the perpetrators of the violence in Muzaffarnagar and neighbouring districts, but the ground reality could not be further from it. Several prominent politicians whose names figure in the FIR have not even been questioned, leave alone being arrested by the district police for inciting people into committing these mindless and ghastly acts of violence.
Politicians cutting across parties have been named in the FIRs, from the BSP to the Samajwadi Party to the BJP and the Congress. And despite being charged, like Hukum Singh, all of them are roaming free.
मुजफ्फरनगर में शामली में इतने दिन से नरसंहार चलता रहा और आज वहां पर मुख्यमंत्री पहुंचे हैं आंसू पोंछने के लिए। बहुत ही निर्लजता की बात है ये।
Another politician, Sadhvi Prachi, though booked for an inflammatory speech, has not even been questioned.
जैसे आज अखिलेश जी ने विजिट किया पूरा, तो आपको लगता है उससे कुछ ठंडा होगा माहौल, उससे कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा?
उसने तो कटे पर और नमक छिड़कने का काम कर दिया। काश समय रहते हुए अगर अखिलेश सरकार सचेत हो जाती तो आज ये घटना ना होती।
While this man, who was given an SP ticket to contest from Bhagpat, has backed out in protest against Akhilesh Yadav's handling of the Muzaffarnagar violence.
And I underline, frantically trying to be in touch with the leadership of Samajwadi Party, including the national president, Mr. Mulayam Singh, also the CM and others, but there has been no response. I thought as if the young chief minister would be sensitive enough to respond to my call so that I could bring to his notice certain ground realities.
Akhilesh Yadav has a lot to answer, especially on why politicians named in the FIRs are yet to be arrested or even questioned. With Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan in Muzaffarnagar, Viren Farao, Times Now.